Aminex has confirmed that gas production at the Kiliwani North field in Tanzania has achieved the equivalent of 5,000 barrels of oil per day. Bhattacherjee is Chief Executive and he joins us now. Congratulations, because I know this is something you've been working towards. Explain what's gone on exactly.
Sure, thanks a lot for having me. This is a real big milestone for the company. Achieving 30 million cubic feet or 5,000 barrels equivalent is something that we've been saying that this well has been capable of for a long time, and we're really happy to be up here at that. This is a commissioning rate. What we're looking to do is to get to that optimized flow rate, which is going to likely be sometime tail end of this month when the TPDC have notified us that well testing will be concluded, but it should be theoretically around this rate. So we're really happy about that.
Is everything you've seen geologically giving you confidence this is going to sustain at these sort of levels?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got live pressure data and pressure recordings on the well site right now. So what we're doing is we're evaluating the pressure response. But from the early indications and the early readings that we have, we have a good well out there, and again, we're real excited to be producing at these rates right now.
Yeah, so. In immediate reaction to this, the share price was up, I think, as much as 10% on the day. But just talk to us about what it means for investors, because this is a share price that doesn't, to me at least, represent a company that's producing the equivalent of 5,000 barrels of oil a day.
Yeah, as I've publicly stated, we as management aren't traders, but the company's got a lot of positive things for it. And traditionally, of course, I'm supposed to say that, but if we do look, as you say rightfully, very few producing companies with development assets of our size are trading as low market cap and valuations as we are. So, we're not traders, nothing I can do about the stock price, but, with my big shareholding hat on, it would be nice to have some more recognition in terms of production and development opportunities that we have in front of us.
What is it that you see needs to be done to bring about that opportunity for investors? Because, I mean, what sort of market are you selling to? I mean, that's another question, isn't it?
Yeah,
is that holding up? Is the gas market
holding up?
Yeah,
it's a great question because, again, we come back to the Kiliwani production itself. We are selling to the government. There's growing demand in country. There's growing opportunities. And, we get paid in US dollars at a fixed price. So this is something that, will add to great value going down the road. And then further to that, we have Rovuma development coming. This isn't exploration we're after. It's development which will continue to add more cash flow in the next 12, 18 months coming forward. So we've got, again, a lot of opportunities in front of us for growth, which is all paid for in US dollars.
Are there any hurdles that you have to overcome with the Rovuma license?
Sure. There's obviously always things that get in your way in terms of drilling and development. These are natural things, but again, this isn't an exploration basin. This is a development basin. As we drill out the wells, next well, hopefully later this summer, early into fall, second well potentially later this year, early into next year. As we drill those wells out, we'll be looking into a situation where, again, we'll be looking to add cash. And yes, we're going to have hurdles, but as we have in the last 36 months, we overcome those hurdles, and they always tend to be on a positive side of the direction.
And of course, you're getting cash on the balance sheet now as well, aren't you?
Correct,
from Kiliwani. Recently, I know you spoke about the fact you get paid in dollars, and you're listed in London, but you have these operations in Tanzania. What does last week's Brexit vote mean for a company like Aminex?
Well, we think it's an opportunity, actually, because, again, we're paid in US dollars. And we feel that we're somewhat isolated from the Brexit vote itself. Now, without discussing any of the political side of the impacts, obviously what we don't like is the instability created, or the instability created in terms of funds and financial institutions. But for us as a business, longer term, as we've stated publicly, we're part of the East Africa energy mix. We're being paid in US dollars, so we think it's an opportunity for us to expand and to add to our business as well.
Okay, well, look, as I say, congratulations about the news, and thanks indeed for dropping by. That's Bhattacherjee. He is the Chief Executive of Aminex.